Hey guys, Brandon here with Type A. Just wanted to kind of go over our new XM3 launch. This is a clone of the original XM3 that was an early service rifle from the early 2000s. This is the actual XM3 stock from Macmillan in the molded in olive, along with our XM3 action and bolt. And then the barrel actually has the same XM3 profile. So this is actually an 18.5-inch barrel, and then it's chopped down to fit either the Surefire or the Griffin over the can PSR suppressor. So this one's paired with a Schmidt and Bender. The only difference between this one and the original XM3 is that the original came with an M4 inlet. We decided to go with an M5 inlet. I think more people want a detachable magazine versus the M4. It's combined with the Eagle Industries cheek riser, and then the Turner leather, the original leather sling as well. So this is offered on the website for sale. It does not come with an optic. It does not come with a sling. We can give you all the information for you guys to go buy that stuff. We wanted to keep it clean and simple for you guys. They are only available in the olive. We can spray paint for an upcharge, or we can let you guys do that. But this is just kind of the beginning. We are going to come out with a modern version of the XM3. So it's going to give you a little bit more variations. We can do a lot more with the colors and whatnot, but you'll be seeing that launch here. And then we'll come out with a new hunting line as well. So you'll be seeing a bunch more from the bolt action market from us. So we're kind of going full circle. We have our AR-15, AR-10. We have the new EG-45, 17, 19, which is the Glock series. And then we have the EG-11, which is the double stack 1911 too. So kind of coming full circle. We have all these products. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and we're super stoked about the XM3. If you guys want some more information, go check out Jake's video, 1911 Syndicates. There's a more in-depth video of us talking about it and shooting it. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.